got two foundation, but unfortunately no one matches my skin shade. Okay, I'm super happy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2020-24. So this video gonna be dedicatedly on all the PRs that I received in 2020-24 up to October of this month, because till now November का भी PRs मेरे पास रखा हुआ है, अभी तक मैंने फिल्म नहीं की, इसलिए I can't show you. I have to maintain certain policies and guidelines. But anyways, so this year itself I joined YouTube from a huge break, which is 1.5 years to 1 year. But anyways, touch wood, like I received quite a sum to show you in this videos. I think it's gonna be interesting. So if you want to see what I received till October 2020-24 of this year, please do carry on watching the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay. So starting with the skincare first, then I will be going to the makeups. So also this skincare is one of my favorite brands, and मैंने इनसे पहले भी PR receive कर चुकी हूँ. I'm so grateful, and these are मैंने purchase भी बहुत कर रखी है इन brand से. So this is from Bioderma. I received the micellar water as well as the toner. Also they gave me that क्या बोलते हैं face wash. That was in the previous year, I guess. This year itself I received this too. So first this is the toner I have from Bioderma, one of the best toners I can tell you. If you have open pores, if you have a very sensitive skin at the same time, please check out this toner. It works great. It helps to minimize those pores and gives your skin such a soothing finish after applying. And next is the OG micellar water I got. कितना भी makeup strong हो, कितना भी makeup बहुत thick you have applied or anything, this micellar water makes sure that your face is super clean. Okay, so this is my favorite micellar water. मैंने तो इसका डब्बा कितना ही परचेज भी कर रखा है, even though I received PR later half of the year, but yes, in general also I always go back to this micellar water. मेरा दो ही favorite micellar water है, one from the Garnier, which is like the most easy to go and very affordable. This one is quite pricier, but having said that, this is a very nice micellar water, and also it makes sure that if you have a sensitive skin, go for this one without thinking. It absolutely works great, and I am super thankful for that matter as well. This brand is very close to my heart, and yeah, this is the first PR of 2020-24. I think this one I received in the month of September and October, if I'm not wrong. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the next PR that I received from Fix Derma. Here I think I have the skincare. Yeah, this is all about the skincare, not the hair care. So let me show you what all I received. So they have sent me these 3 very beautiful products right there, and all the 3 are super useful to me. This is the one sunscreen, their UV sunscreen I became fan of. Initially मुझे इतना नहीं पता था Fix Derma के sunscreen के बारे में, but after I received their PR, I genuinely loved it, and I always go back to this particular sunscreen. Now this sunscreen is a very runny liquidy texture. I do have a very dehydrated dry skin, and it works absolutely great even in winter. If you feel like your skin is going very dehydrated, very dry, then do try this Fix Derma's UV sunscreen. It's so beautiful. Let me show you what I'm talking about. इसका मैंने reel भी बना के रखा है. So yeah, so it's like this runny texture of the sunscreen right here, and it's absolutely dewy, super long lasting and quick absorb. इतना जल्दी absorb हो जाता है. It gives such a nice and brighter finish. So आप even sometimes it happens that मैंने कुछ भी moisturize नहीं किया, only I use a sunscreen and my face look absolutely fine. So I highly recommend this sunscreen. I'm in just love of this particular product from Fix Derma. Also their products are genuinely super good. They are all dermatologically tested and they have very good formulation once, and I honestly, after receiving the PR, I was like, I'm so grateful that I am introduced to this brand right now. So moving to the next two things I got. The first one is a hand cream. I have such a dry and dehydrated skin. How can I tell you that? I just can't tell you that my fingers get cracked in the winter. It's like dehydration is equals to me. It's that thing. I don't know. I drink a lot of water. I try to stay hydrated by taking lots of fruits and water and anything in liquid form, but it happens to be my skin is not that well, and this hand cream in this winter making me giving me surety that my hands stay really hydrated and really moisturized well. And this hand cream is really a great one. So it has this kojic acid, the mango butter, and all other goodness it got, and this is how it look like. Absolutely a gem one. So if you want to try a good hand cream, that too under budget, so this one is around 265 is the MRP. So you can definitely consider this hand cream. This is so good. Also it does not smell really too much. It's just perfectly fine. And yeah, it's very good to go. It's a very good hand cream for that matter. Okay, so next thing I have from Fix Derma is their Durawear range, the body lotion. It's a deep hydration body lotion, and this lotion is too great. I have made a dedicated short video as well, just to tell you guys how beautifully it moisturizes your body. And it got like this bottle is like 200 ml, this tube rather to say, and this is how it look like. Super beautifully formulated, and all their products are recommended and tested by dermatologists, so you don't need to worry for that matter. And they are super hydrating, and it's just making sure that I stay hydrated throughout this season, winter. So super hydrating, and you don't need to apply it a lot of time. Once you apply it, it's very good to go, very long lasting. It stays on your skin, and your skin sinks. The product really sinks well into the skin. So that's why it called the deep hydrating and everything. And it does give you this beautifully nourished wala effect, and I totally love it. Do try it yourself. And yeah, I very much understand that I received in PR, so it's very much accessible for me to use. But if I'm telling you that I will be going back to this one, even if I stop receiving from them, I won't mind, because their products are so good. So these are the three things I got from Fix Derma. So highly recommend as well. Do try it, you will love it. Another sunscreen that I received from Dot & Key. I do not have it now in my flat. I left that in my home itself. So flat में अभी नहीं है जहाँ मैं अभी shoot कर रही हूँ. But yeah, this is this sunscreen right here. I received in PR. Also I received in the summer season as well. Their watermelon version is the one from Dot & Key, and absolutely love their brand. Dot & Key itself, receiving PRs from Dot & Key is a great thing, and being part of their campaign, even in form a little short video or even it in form a reels, it's a huge thing for a content creator like me, who is micro level content creator like me rather to say. So very thankful for this product. And yeah, now moving to the next skincare products from another brand which is my very close to my heart, because I received their PRs back in the days when I had like 20 subs, or not 20, maybe it's 500 subs rather to say. So I'm talking about the company called Tag, the Ayurveda Co. This is how their branding look like. So they sent me this PRs in the initial days, and also this year itself I received their another PR. So basically they sent me their sunscreen. They had this, all are in the Kumkumadi range. I have their face scrub, and next is the face wash. Now this year they got the face wash being little bit modified. This year they have this saffron and dust, a little bit of packaging change. I guess the formulation is similar, just the packaging is a little bit changed. This is their updated one of this year, this version. So it's a new version, formulation same, but the packaging is a little bit different. So again, another favorite skincare brand of mine, and I totally love their product. If you are looking for something related to very natural, very rooted to your culture, and they really does take care of the Ayurveda thing, and that we all know is very good for our skin, for a healthier skin, and it does take care of all those goodness. So highly recommend, as well as I'm so happy that I did this proper sit down video where I told you all that how this skincare using the TAC Cosmetics skincare helped me to reduce all my acne related problem, and I'm super grateful for all their products. I was initially being introduced to this brand through PR itself, just like the Fix Dramas, and I am really a loyal fan of this brand. So highly recommend. Okay, so moving to the next PR of 2020-24, I have from Soulflower. Now Soulflower is one such brand which was not new to me. मैंने initially भी बहुत बार use कर रखी है. Also my hair growth is this baby hairs all over the place is one of the reason of using this particular brand का products, and I was very much happy to get something which I already use. So they have sent me these two things. One is the rosemary essential oil and another is the castor oil. Indeed, if you have seen my hostel wala videos, Chandigarh hostel wala videos, this one, you have seen ki mein castor oil, indeed I use that. I also purchased it earlier also. So this time they sent me this castor oil and the rosemary essential oil combo. Now the logic behind getting this two, both are indeed oil itself. The thing is that this essential oil need to be used in very small amount, like 2 to 3 drops. We have maximum 3 to 5 drops are very good to go for your getting regrowth of your hairs and massaging your scalp. So for that, what you need to do is you have to mix this two. Okay, just heat this oil in a small container and then mix essential oil, this one, the rosemary essential oil, into 2 to 3 drops, and you are good to go, and just massage well into your scalp. You can definitely see results starting from 3 months. Not before than that you can expect anything, but after 3 months you can really see. And if these products are not doing anything for you, then you really need to consider to your doctor. And maybe because hair falls, one of the biggest reason of hair fall is the stress and gut related problem. So you need to get a healthy diet and do consult your dietitian for that matter. This is my personal opinion. So these are something to support. Also it contains minoxidil, which is the natural alternative of the drug that is used for your hair regrowth. So it has all the benefits, but you need to eat clean, have a good lifestyle, stress-free lifestyle, and a clean diet. So that's all. Everything is related. So it's not solely, but definitely one of the reason for my hair growth. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the next PR, which is related to hair care itself. So I received the L'Oreal serum, and oh boy, what I will tell, this is indeed one of my favorite serum. I was introduced to this serum by my friends. They are like huge fan of this serum, and after that, after using, I went ahead and purchased by myself. It was in 2020-22 or 3, I don't exactly remember, but then this year receiving PR from L'Oreal is like what I will tell. I'm super happy and impressed of myself. Yeah, but yeah, this is the serum. I don't think I have to say anything about this serum. It's so good serum, and it got such a shine. It gives such a shinier effect to your hairs. I just don't want to waste it, but yeah, you all know how it looks like, and I am sure many of you uses this serum and it looks absolutely fine and smells divine. Okay, smells divine, and yeah, this is how the bottle look like. I'm super happy and thankful about. Okay, touch wood, this year I received quite a lot makeup items as well, but as we are doing this PR is all about October 2020-24 up to, so I cannot show you all, but what I can show you what I received before that, which was in September itself. So this is the Hilary Rhoda PR that I received for the festive season, and also not only I received their PR, I did a paid collaboration with them as well. So this is how it looked like. So I did a dedicated video with this product, whatever makeup items I received from Hilary Rhoda, and after receiving this PR, I was initially introduced to this brand through PR itself when I received their mail that you're gonna receive this, you know, makeup products and you have to do these other criteria you need to perform to show your audience. But yeah, this is how the PR packaging look like. मैं इतना खुश हो गई थी क्योंकि this was one of the first makeups that I received also in the time of festive season. That is the seasons for the content creators. So this is how it look like, and मैं अगर इसको open करूँ, this is how it look. So I'm not really showing what all I got, but this kit is everything from like primer to my favorite blush. If you know by now, you must be knowing. Also, I did a very dedicated video regarding all the products I have been sent here, so you can check out from there. Also, their very beautiful eyeshadow palette, their foundation, and one of my favorite things from theirs is the compact. I mean, their packaging and everything is so aesthetically pleasing. At the same time, their products are so affordable, just perfect for, you know, college students, those who want to purchase makeup but in the affordable range can check out their products. They are really great. Their mascara, love it. Eyeliner, I got two foundations, but unfortunately no one matches my skin shade. But yeah, they was kind enough to send me two foundation, mascara I have told you, their eyeliner, and a lot of lipstick. I got 3 lipstick from theirs, and all the shades and swatches I have already shown you in the dedicated wala video, Hilary Rhoda, this video. In case you haven't seen, do check out. That video was one of my favorite video, and I was really happy that I pulled out that. So yeah. Okay, so that's for all the PRs that I received till October 2020-24. I'm super happy and thankful for whatever I have received, and that makes me very happy as a content creator. That makes me happy, and you know, this things little bit validates you, because that keep you, you know, motivating and showing up every day on this platform itself. It's a little joy and validation that you were being watched. So that's pretty much of it. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new episode of Vlogmas 2020-24. I hope you are loving this series, and yeah, as much as I loved filming for you guys. So that was pretty much of today's video. I will see you guys super soon in tomorrow's video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.